and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you one of the feature and one of the settings of the AI agent, that is the communication style of the AI agent. So let's get started. Simply open the BotPenguin account and choose the AI agent. In the agent personality and instructions, you will get the third option of communication style. So over here you get few options. So let's discuss each of them one by one. First is answer length. You can click on this drop down and you will get these options: very short, medium, long. So you can decide what should be the answer length of a question that customer have asked to AI, and you can also let AI agent decide it what should be the length for the same. Second is answer as, how the agent should answer: first person, second person, third person, or you can also let AI agent decide how it should answer. And what should be the tone of the AI agent? It should be formal, joyful, sincere, informal, or you can again let the agent decide the same. And again, you can have the language that the AI agent should speak in. And again, you can let the AI agent decide it, whatever the customer, in which language the customer is speaking, the AI agent will also respond in the same language. Last option is show a source when get answers, like from where the AI agent is getting this answer. You can also show that if you turn on this toggle. Alright, and once you are done with all these settings, you can simply update it and the communication style will be updated successfully. So this is how you can update the communication style of the AI agent. If you have any doubt or have any queries for the same, please reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good day. Bye.